Good morning, students. So today's topic is adder. Adder. Adder are two types. One is half adder. Second one is full adder. Okay. So what is the difference between this half adder and full adder? So first we need to know what is adder. Adder is the addition. Addition between binary numbers. Okay. A full adder means addition between two binary numbers, and full adder means addition between three binary numbers. So we know the formula: 0 plus 0 is equal to 0, 0 plus 1 is equal to 1, 1 plus 0 is to 1, 1 plus 1 is equal to 0, carry 1. Right? We know this formula. So from this formula, how we create an adder, I will tell you right now. Okay. So first you can see A and B, two inputs are there. So this is half adder. So I'm doing a heading. A and B is here. Then we write sum value and one is carry value. Sum and carry. So we write the combination 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Okay. Now if I add this 0 and 0, our sum value is 0, carry is also 0. There is no carry means 0. 0 plus 1, 1, carry 0. 1 plus 0, 1, carry 0. 1 plus 1, sum value 0, carry 1. Okay, as I get from here. Now, after getting this, we need to write a two expression. One is sum expression and another one is carry expression. So, what is sum expression? You can see in sum there is 2 1 and 2 0. We take ones, only one we take, this one and this one. Now this line 1 means you can see 0 1, and next you can see 1 0. So 0 1 1 means we already know 0 indicate bar and 1 indicate non bar. So first 0 for A, so we write A bar. 1 means B, so we write B. This one indicate A, so A. This 0 means B, so B bar. Okay. Now when we are using a same line combination, that time we use dot. Multiple line, we are taking second line and third line. So from second line and third line we write plus in between second line and third line value. So what is sum value? Now sum value is A bar B plus AB bar. We already learned in the previous classes that A bar B plus AB bar means we can write A X or get B. We write it from the previous expression. Okay. Now what is the carry value? You can see in carry only 1 is present. So 1 means A bar A and B, because both are 1. 1 means non bar. So we write A B. Okay. So this is the sum value as the carry value. Now time to write the circuit. Okay. So how we draw the circuit? First we draw this circuit, sum circuit. So we are taking A and B. Okay, A and B. So first we are taking a line, straight line, and we are taking a line from B. Then we prepare X or gate over here, and we write sum, or you can write A XOR B. Both right. You can write any one or you can write both. You just write the equal to. Attach here. Now we need to write the carry. For carry we are not creating any other, taking A and B. We use same A and B for writing carry also. So we can write AB and BA both are same. 5 plus 6 and 6 plus 5 both are same. Similarly AB and BA same. So first I am taking here B, and from here A, overlap, then this one A line. So we use the AND gate for preparing carry, or you can write A, B. Okay, this is the circuit. Okay, I hope all of you understand how we get the value or how we prepare a truth table of half adder. Okay, how you get the different expression from the half adder and how to draw a circuit from the half adder. Okay, the very important question for class 11 as well as in class 12 also. Okay, now we're discussing the next full adder. Okay, full adder. Okay, so in full adder, addition between three numbers. So I'm taking here A, B, C. We write the combination 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 1 1 0 0 1 0 1 1 1 0 1 1 1. Okay, then we write sum carry. We already know there is one more formula is here in summation. After this four formula, 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 1 carry 1. Okay, because 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 3 binary form we already learned in the previous classes 11 1 1. So 1 we are putting and 1 we are carrying. Okay, for 1 plus 0 2 means 1 0, so 0 we are putting and carry 1. Similar this way, this is a formula 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 1 and 1 carry. Here now 0 0 0 plus 0 carry 0, 0 plus 1 is also 1 carry 0, 0 plus 1 plus 0 1 carry 0, 0 plus 1 plus 1 sum 0 carry 1, 1 carry 0, 0 carry 1, 1 plus 1 0 carry 1, and all 1 both are 1. Okay, I hope you understand from the expression truth table which is getting from the formula. Okay, now we need to write the formula of sum and carry. Okay, so sum and carry we can write easily. Sum I'm writing is sum value. After solving the expression, I will tell you the solution of this expression. That sum is equal to, you can see 1 2 3 4, 4 ones are present. So we write ABC 4 combination. So A B C plus, because different 4 lines, so we are using plus A B C plus A B C plus A B C. Okay, now where is the bar? In first two bar A and B bar, because A and B value 0, we are writing bar. Next A and C bar, A and C bar, it will help you to easy to write the answer. Then B C bar, B and C bar, and last all are 1, so no bar. So from this expression we solve it. Okay. Now from this expression we are considering these two as set and these two as set, and we are taking a common from the common value from this expression. From first two we are taking common a bar. So we get b bar c plus b c bar, and from second expression we are taking a, so b bar c bar plus bc. Okay. Next you can write b bar c plus bc bar is equal to b XOR c, and a, this one means b bar c bar plus bc means b XNOR c. Okay. Now again a b bar b XOR c plus a, we can write, we know that complement of XOR is the XNOR gate. We know complement of XOR gate, so XNOR gate is complement of XOR gate is XNOR gate. So we can write b XOR gate c whole bar is the complement of XOR gate, means this one. Okay. Now you can, so if I consider this one is the m, if I consider m here, that means it is m bar, right? So we can a bar m and a m bar. So again XOR gate, so we can write a XOR b XOR c is the sum value, we get a XOR b XOR c. Now for easy carry value we are using a k map. We are using k map for getting carry value. Okay. So there's 3 input k map, so I'm drawing a k map, 3 input k map. In class 11 don't need to write this k map, you simply write the answer. You simply write sum is equal to XOR a XOR b XOR c, and carry is equal to, after solving the result you write the carry only. This explanation and this k map explanation not required in class 11. Okay. A B C, so you write 0 1 3 2 4 5 7 6 0 1 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 1 0. Now if I giving a name over here 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, now where we are getting the 1 here in carry, this is a line of 3, so we are putting 1 on 3. Okay, 1 in 3. Now this one 5 6 and 7, so 5 putting 1, 6 putting 1, 7 putting 1. Okay. Now if I compare it, getting a set of these two, getting a set of these two, and getting a set of these two, we are getting from here, both are changing, so we get, so from we are taking from first here. Okay. So from here we get a is changing, we get only both are 1, so we write BC, first set complete, second set start, plus second set value, suppose this one second set, so A is still here, and from here the same, we are keeping the same value. From here we get only A, so we write A, and from these two which is not changing, C is not changing, the first one for B, second one for C as well as sequence, so C in both cases same, so we write C, and from last set A is still same because A0 is not working. So A is here, and from here which is not changing, B is not changing because first one is B. So AB. So we can write AB plus BC plus C or AC. You can write. This is the carry value. Students, only you write this carry and this sum value. These two lines you write. Don't need to explain the entire portion and this portion. Okay. So now time to draw the circuit from this full adder expression. Okay. So for you, I'm drawing a circuit again, is expression again. Sum is equal to A XOR B XOR C and carry AB plus BC plus AC or CA. Okay. Now we draw the first sum. So A B C. Okay, ABC. Now A B C. See, we are doing the XOR gate. Sum portion complete. Okay. Now time to draw this AB, BC and CA. So one by one we are drawing each and every. Does not mean suppose AB is first means it does not means AB you need to do first. Okay. Here we are preparing 3 AND gate. 1, 2, 3 AND gate we are preparing. Okay. So first we are preparing for easy task C line and the B line. So B C. Okay. Next C line and C. This one complete. Now time we are taking C means only this A. So we need A. So from here we are taking A. So A C also complete. Now AB. So this already we get A. So we are taking A from here. A from here. Now need to B. B means you can consider B from here. So A B. Now we are getting all three. Now the plus is left. So plus we know the circuit is look like this. This is the OR gate. Okay. So 1, 2 and 3. So we draw this all 3, adding all 3. So we write carry. This is the answer. Okay. This is the process to draw the circuit. I hope you understand how I draw the entire portion. Okay. Make sure when you are taking a value from a line, you give a proper dots. Okay. This is really easy to understand. The teacher, you are taking the value from particular portion. And when you are moving from a line, you give an overlap from other. That means you are not attaching or not taking value from the particular line. Okay. So this is a portion of circuit. So I hope all of you understand the entire portion. Okay. If you understand, please like my channel, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more notification. Thank you. Have a nice day.